Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So before we move ahead for the intraday levels and analysis for tomorrow's expiry, that is 1st of July, let us see or do the analysis from the day point of view. Okay, so what we see are three red candles, or it suggests the downtrend. Okay, and what does this candle indicate? Or it is similar to, we can say, the shooting star or an inverted hammer, which looks like, but a hammer has a small body and a long wick. Okay, one more thing to take this into consideration is, if this shooting star would have formed at this particular level, then we would have clearly understood that it would be a turnaround of the upward trend and beginning of the downtrend. uh, the other point to take into consideration, if we look at this particular levels, okay, where my mouse pointer is, this particular level, so around 34,660 we can see the market taking support at here, this particular candle over here as well, this particular candle over here, this particular candle over here, and now over here as well. It can take a support. The next support level is over here, the 34,501 at the bottom. Okay, so you can see this, where this candle is taking the support. Okay, this particular candle. Okay, so the first level of support is at, we can say, 34,660 or 600 to 700, and next next support is at 34,500. Okay, so this was the day view analysis. Let us see the intraday analysis. Okay, before we do the other analysis or see what parts I have marked at, let us see the levels. So strong support at the bottom is at 34,000. Next strongest support is at 34,500. Strongest resistance is at 35,000. So you can see the support which was the strong today, it got broke at this particular point, and this is acting as a strongest resistance. So at the top we have a stronger resistance as 35,500. One more point is that we have a strong resistance zone between 35,200 to 300. Okay, and small support at 34,300. So you can see I have marked this support and resistance zone as well. So we have a small support zone from 34,600 to 700. Now just take a look at this particular green circle that I have marked. At particular this point on 23rd of July, we can see a market was in a sideways, or it was in a, what we can say, sideways zone, and later it broke this particular level, or it was taking the support of this particular level, 34,700, and the next day again it took the support of this level and went up. So same thing we have it over here. So if we consider that market opens a gap down, okay, so below this particular level, so 34,600, it opens gap down below 34,600, then do not jump into the trade initially, just wait. We have a next support zone, that is 34,500, and we can see a bounce back. So this is what the green arrow indicates. And our regular funda, when a resistance is broken, it would act as a support, and when a support is broken, it would act as a resistance. So we can see that market can reverse from this particular point, 34,700, or it can bounce up to this particular level. Okay, so this is the scenario if market gaps down and reverses from this particular level, 34,500. If this particular level is broken, 34,500, then we can see a small retracement from 34,300 levels. Otherwise it would go down till 34,000 level as well. We can see a good fall as well. Okay, now the second possibility of, if market opens gap up. Okay, so just take a look at this particular point I have highlighted. this is the point where market was taking the support for the levels 34,900. okay, and market went up. Next time it came down and it broke this level. So why I have highlighted, just to show you or keep in mind that this level is broken now. Now if market opens gap up by 100 points, so 34,900 would act as a resistance, and we above that we have a strongest resistance. So just wait for a while, and when market starts reversing from this particular level, you can enter into the sell trade, buying of a put. okay, and it can come back to this particular level 34,700, and we have a support at this particular level, so we can see an reversal or bounce back from this particular level as well. So just see how the market is behaving and how it is uh, uh, taking or breaking at particular levels, and take trade. Do not just predict, keep the possibilities of both the things or multiple things, where the market opens gap up or gap down, and when it breaks a particular major or support or resistance road. So at least for tomorrow my view is bearish. okay, 60-40, 60% bearish and 40% bullish. Why? Because there may be a possibility that initially market can come down to this particular level 34,500, and then to trap the call writers it can bounce back from this particular level and end at 35,000. okay, this is one possibility. Or the second possibility is, if initially is market crosses this particular level 34,500, then it would be more difficult to bounce back to this particular level, because 34,000 is acting as a support. So when the support is broken, it would start acting as a resistance. So just do not trade blindly, see how the market is behaving and trade accordingly. Follow the market, do not predict and trade. okay, so this was it in short regarding Bank Nifty intraday levels and analysis for 1st of July. Thank you.